What's the definition? Electronic sourcing is a digital process used to find, evaluate, and contract suppliers efficiently while reducing risks and improving value. What's the process? Let's go through 8 key steps. Step 1. Requirements determination. Clearly define what is needed, technical specifications, quality expectations, delivery terms, and risk criteria. Step 2. Suppliers identification. Search for potential suppliers through databases, market research, or internal recommendations. Step 3. Pre-qualification. Check suppliers for financial health, certifications, and past performance. Assess basic risk levels. Step 4. Bids inquiry. Send a formal request for offers to qualified suppliers, including all defined needs. Step 5. Electronic auction. Organize an online auction where suppliers submit competitive bids in real time. Step 6. Bids evaluation. Review offers based on price, quality, delivery, and risk factors using a structured scoring method. Step 7. Supplier selection. Choose the supplier that offers the best overall value and acceptable risk. Step 8. Contract award. Sign a contract that includes performance requirements and risk management measures. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel.